Friends, good day and welcome again to our YouTube channel. Alright, this is channel where we'll give you update on how you can make income and also give you some information about news. Alright, so today I want to teach you how you can make free 10 to $20 worth of Bitcoin daily. Depending on your strength, you could make up to 100, you could make up to 50, you could make up to 10, $5, depending on your strength and the ability to carry on the task. Okay, so if you know you always spend time online, I think this will favor you a lot with your laptop or with your phone. Okay, it can be done with either laptop or just a phone, and the phone could be any kind of phone, it could be Android phone, iPhone, or any kind of Android phones, so or window phones rather. So I'm going to be taking you on it right away. So just watch and see what I'm. First of all, we're going to set our accounts. Okay, let's set the wallet that we can use to withdraw this Bitcoin. You can withdraw in you can actually withdraw on in Doge, Bitcoin, Ethereum, just whatsoever way you feel like you want to withdraw, you can actually withdraw that. So I would choose Bitcoin because it's the leading crypto. All right, but Doge is another good one because I also have Doge account, and what I gained there from Doge is very, 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 very handsome. So let's take a look at. So let's go to pay.io. Okay, let's go there to set our wallet. That is the wallet we can use to withdraw before we transfer to either our Trust, Binance, or Coinbase, or just name it, any wallet you want to use. So but first we have to register this account. Okay, this is how it's been done, and I'm already a member. So should I just go to my dashboard, or I should log in first? Okay, this is my coin. This is my coin. You can see this is my coin. This is a Dogecoin and earned from the platform. All right, within a day. So I just gave it a test run, and I've seen how it works. All right, so this is my TRC 20 USDT I've made also. So I did several coins to ensure that the platform is legit and I can withdraw from it. Okay, so that is just it. That is just as simple as it is. Okay. Okay, first of all, you locate where to log in. I'm a member, so I'm not logging in. So if you want to create a new account, you see it, create a new account. You see, you fill everything. This is your username. The second here is your email address. This is your email address, your username. You repeat your email address again. Your password, you have to repeat it. You have to accept the terms and condition and click that I am a human rather. Then you can start the journey in your first year. Then you sign up to start your journey. However, I am um, a member, so I'm signing in directly. Okay, I'm signing in directly. Okay, so and for security reason, I will not want to show um, my. So this is the account. This is my account. Now, whatsoever you use here, just what you need is to copy either the BTC wallet of your account. For instance, this is the BTC. This is my Doge. This is my BTC Cash. This is everything I want. So I can click on withdraw. When you click on withdraw, okay. Sorry, first you link an address. Okay, so you link your address. This is how it work. You link your address. You see, my address is linked. So if you are new, you just click on linked address. Then you can copy any wallet at all you want, your Trust wallet, and you just link it there, and it will be linked. Okay, so you can just put it your BTC, and so on, and your account will be linked. So that is it. If you want to withdraw, you can click on withdraw, And for instance, I want to withdraw my Dodge, so I will just click on this Dodge. Yeah. So I'll click on this Dodge, then I'll drop my address that I want the money to be clicked to, or then I will click on all. Then you see everything has come. So this is what I need to do to withdraw. Okay, so let's go. So since we are through with the faucetpay.io, that is the wallet we need to withdraw, and I've taught you now how to link your wallet to it. So what we need to do next is um, to go to the page where we make the free Bitcoin or free coin, whatever coin you want to make, and I show you whatsoever coin. So you just go and type Dushi, you can type cup and you will see it, but I have it on my dashboard so I can just log in, but for the sake of new user, so that we can get what we want. So Dushi cup, this is the it there, so it's loading. And on this place, all you just need to do is to log in and start using Duchi. Um, this is what you will click and start making the best crypto of your choice. So I'll click there. Now, as soon as I click the plus sign, I got to see this. I got to see this final auto. Um, then I'll click there. When I click there, it allows it to load and take me to my dashboard. Remember, if you are new, you need to sign up, okay? It's just because I'm an old, that's why. So sign up is just similar process on any other platform, okay? Just your name, your username, and so on. So that is it. As you can see, this is the symbol of coins available, and this is virtually almost all coins you have here. Okay, do you do not have two-factor authentication enabled? We strongly advise you to activate it here to improve your account security. That is for new persons. Me, I already have it. So you see, I'm already a member here, and I am doing this all the time. I always convert daily 5 to 10,000 tax daily. So I just did my task now and I've gotten two. There are several kind of tasks you could do. Let me change my screen to a desktop site so we could see what I'm trying to say. There are several things we could do on this site, so let's watch. So first, let's look at this here. Now, from this angle, we discover that um, there are lots of ways we can earn. We can earn through the contests. We can earn through this. This is every 30 minutes is ready. We can also earn through CoinRow. I will be explaining all to you. We can earn through PTC Wall and also Surface. Then we can earn a lot here from any of this stuff. All right, we can earn a lot here through it, and also we can also earn a lot through this. In fact, this is very encouraging. Short links war, whereby you short links the link and paste it and you gain free Dochi coin. All right, guys, so let's start with PTC War. Okay, let's go with PTC War. That is this. Okay, look here. At this case, I have done tax, so this is just the one they give me now. So let's see. We have this. We have this. On this, you are supposed to be on it for 5 seconds, and you will get 48 Dochi coin. So you see, it's very easy to get the Dochi coin, and it's very easy to make your money. However, you can also transfer the Dochi to your Dochi wallet if you have Binance that carries Dochi coin. Okay, if you can have it, then you swap and make your money you want to make. All right. So Let's go. So currently, all you just need to do now from the PTC will give you more than 10 to 20 tasks to do daily. So you click on view. When you click on view, it will take you to the page. Then you allow it. Just watch at this page. Watch at this page. Just look here. You discover that that place was reading, and as soon as it is 5 seconds, they automatically move out and tell you to submit. So you click on the submit. When you click on the submit, it takes you here. Allow it to load. Then you go back. When you go back, you don't do it all short way. Allow it to load. See it. 40 Dushi has been added to your account. Let's see my account. This is my account here, and you find out that I've made extra 78. So let's observe it. 2978. Now let's see. Yes, moving. Yes, going. So it's now area. So I'll click on submit again. You go back. Please allow to load. Now it shows that I've done my work. It has been added. Before it was 20 something, right? So look at it, 2978. So look at it now, 3026. So it has been added to it, and this is how you keep doing it. And this is just one part of it. Well, the second one is how to get your bonus Duchi row. Okay, so this is your Duchi row. This is it here. You click there. When you click there, allow it to load. When it loads, then it updates to this place where you're going to show that you are not a robot. Change default captcha. That is this particular place. You get to this place and drop the write-up you read there. Here is Likiti. Please note everything is on small letter. Likiti. That is a dash and splits. So let's see what we gain. So you see the code, the free code there is 146. So we come to this place. We come to this place and click. Sometimes we click, it want to take you to what is it called, YouTube. Just minimize and come back to that page, just like this. You see, it's taking me to YouTube. So you minimize, you don't go there, remove it and come back to your page. Click there again. All right. So you see, redeem your gifts. This is where you redeem your gifts. Don't forget the code 146. This is where you redeem your gifts. So you click on there, then you put it your code 146, then you redeem. So I've redeemed 100 Duchi coin. So you can see there's an upgrade there in my account. So we move. Now these are all the coins we have. So there is another bonus I want to show you that you could make. Here you just select whatever you want. For instance, I don't want to use Bitcoin. I can use Dogecoin. What it simply means, there's going to be an auto auto withdraw every 10 minutes of it. So because of time to always do that, I might not be doing it. So but let me just teach you. All you just need to do here is to come here, put what you see here. To come here, put what you see here, that is margin of error. You put it here with space, then you start auto faucet. So you start any faucet to directly to your firstpay.io account. So you see, that was why you saw my Doge, because I was doing it for Doge, and converting Dogecoin to Dogecoin was very cheap. In fact, too cheap. In fact, so cheap that if I have 10,000 Dogecoin, which will not take me a day to make, I will get not less than 0.00 one Dogecoin. So having that is just like telling me, hey, you are done. that having it is just like winning so many about Dogecoin. And Dogecoin, of course, you can get it. That is very, very easy to get. And when you have it, you can minimize and you can swap it to your crypto, to any crypto of your choice. And Doge is doing very well. All right. That is all we'll be taking for now. Okay, in the next class, I'll be teaching you how to shorten your links and so you can earn more money from this platform.